In this video, we show how yawave makes it possible to leverage customer referrals for more reach, traffic, and sales. Customer referrals are a very attractive acquisition channel. More than 90% of customers trust recommendations from people they know. More than 80% of customers are willing to provide referrals, and referred customers are simply better customers. Customer referral with yawave has the following advantages. Easy integration of the smart referral tool in your existing website or online shop, broad engagement through consideration of all referral engagement activities, easy reward processing with the integrated points earning and redeeming system, individual customer reward cockpit with login and single sign-on possibility, all integrated with a powerful customer data platform and marketing automation. Let's make a simple example. The company Group X has the objective to generate more reach and visits for product content and increase customer acquisition through referrals from existing happy customers. To achieve this, Group X wants to motivate relevant customers to refer brand and products, track all relevant customer referral activities, and configure and manage an attractive reward system. So let's have a look how quickly we can set this up. First, let us configure the referral tools. In the referral tool editor, we can easily configure a customized referral tool for product and brand content, defining the look and feel, preferred referral channels, and more. If we want, we can also allocate dimensions. In this case, we want to attribute the dimension brand ambassador to all customers that refer content, products, or services. This smart referral tool can then be easily integrated for all your product and branding content pages. As second step, we create the referral and reward program. In this case, we configure a referral reward for successful referral activities. We use the reward configurator, defining the beneficiary segment, in this case, customers, partners, and employees. Then we configure the benefits. We define price in points for the benefit, the time frame limitations such as a limit per customer or a total benefit quantity limit. And we can style the benefit as well. For each benefit, we can also upload codes from our shop so the customer can redeem the points directly online. In order to keep motivation up, we also set up an automated message. In this case, we want to notify the referring customers when their referrals had impact. So we create an automated message in the marketing automation section. And finally, we configure the customer points and reward cockpit. We can design the cockpit and define what type of tabs we want to offer. Now, as the relevant product and brand content is empowered with the yawave referral tool, happy customers can refer the offer, for example, directly from the product or service page. We can also notify customers and motivate them based on certain triggers, for example, post-purchase as part of the onboarding process, or why not when they provide a positive feedback. For this, we simply create an NPS feedback tool and a marketing automation that only motivates referral in case the NPS is high. The system tracks all engagement activities in real time. We can see visits, sharing activities, as well as the generated impact, especially purchase. Now, let's see what happens if a customer referral activity generates desired results. The referring customer now gets the automated message and can access the engagement points dashboard to see current engagement point balance. In the reward section, the customer can redeem the points and get the preferred benefits. These then appear in the personal wallet for further usage, for example, directly in the online shop. Yawave integrates flexibly with your online shop and single sign-on. So individual points and rewards can be displayed in your shop's customer section. Yawave can be used for non-digital as well, with the individually generated short referral codes that can be used over phone or face-to-face. Yawave not only tracks direct referrals, it tracks entire referral networks of multiple nodes. So let's summarize. Yawave integrates unique referral tool, reward system, and cockpit functionality. Yawave can track and connect all sorts of customer engagement. Yawave converts activities into points and allows to redeem these points. All flexibly configurable and integratable in your web environment. Learn more about the comprehensive and fully integrated content, interaction, and user hubs of the yawave suite at www.yawave.com.